Good morning, class 2. Children, today I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 3. Look and say. So, bring your book and open page number 34. What it is given in this chapter? Basically, this chapter deals with the saving of water. In this chapter, we will learn why saving of water is essential, why we have to save water, why we don't have to waste the water. So look at this picture carefully. You're getting a man who is washing utensils in the basin, and as you're getting, he is washing utensils, but the tap of the basin is continuously open, which is not correct, children. So whenever we are doing something and whenever we don't need water, we have to turn off the tap immediately, because if we will not turn off the tap, there is a wastage of water, and we don't have to waste the water. Why? Because water is very essential part of our life. Like we need food to eat, we need shelter or home to live. In the same way, we need water to drink. If we will not drink water, if we will not get water, we are not able to exist, we are not able to survive. So water is very important part of our life. We don't have to waste the water, because water is present in very limited quantity. If you will waste the water, then what you will drink in future? So try to not to waste the water. So in the first picture, this person is wasting the water. Now we will come to the next page, that is page number 35. In this picture also you are getting a woman is washing the clothes, but the tap of the washroom is continuously open, which is not correct. If she is washing that time, then she has to turn off the tap. Then you are getting a boy, he is also throwing water in the washroom. That girl, who is small girl, who is brushing the teeth, the tap of the basin is continuously open. If these persons are not needed water at that time, then they have to turn off the tap, because they are wasting the water without any purpose. And that small boy who is throwing water, he must plant the water, he must water the plant. Okay, he don't have to throw like this. Okay, then that small girl, she is brushing her teeth, but the tap of the basin is continuously open, so she is also wasting the water. Now children, come to the next page, page number 36. In this picture you will also get that a person who is watering the vegetables, he is using a lot of water in watering the plants. Then two cows are there now in the shade. One cow is drinking water, but the tap is continuously open and the water is being wasted here. Then a person who is throwing the bottles in the pond, he is also wasting the water. So children, in the first picture, the person who is watering the plant, he can use less water to water the plants. He is using a lots of water in watering the plants. He can use less water. Then the cow is drinking water, but the tap is continuously open, which is not so needed. Then a person who is throwing the bottles in the pond, he is also wasting the water. He is also making the water dirty, because sometimes different animals, different birds used to take water from the ponds and lakes. If we will make that dirty, then the water become poisonous. Then how they will drink the water? How the different creatures will drink the water? And if they will not drink the water, they will also not survive, children. Like we all need water, in the same way animals, birds, they also need water. So we don't have to waste the water, we have to save the water. The person who is throwing bottles in the pond or lake, he is also wasting the water, he is making the water dirty. Okay, so now come to the page number 37. In page number 37, children, this small girl is cleaning the floor, and that lady is throwing the water. They are also wasting the water. That small girl is using too much water in cleaning the floor, and the lady is throwing the water without any purpose. They are also wasting the water. So what we get from the both the pages, that we don't have to waste the water. These people are wasting the water. They are using lots of water which is not so needed. We don't have to throw anything in the pond or lake or anywhere, any water reservoir, not in well also, because the different creatures used to take water from there. So why it is important to save water? It is very important to save water because water is present in very less quantity. If we will waste the water, one day it will be finished. As you are getting that there is a lot of water in seas and reservoir, seas and oceans, but we can't drink that water because that water is salty in taste. So if you will waste the water, then how you will drink the water? And if you will not drink the water, how you will survive? Now come to page number 38, that is always remember. Water is very important. We use water for many things. As we all know that water is very important. So water is very important. We use water for many things. Like children, how we use water for many things. We use water for cooking, washing utensils, washing clothes, for drinking, and for lots of purposes. So what is the first point? Water is precious. We can't live without water to drink. We must use water carefully. If we will not get water, we are not able to survive. So we have to use the water very, very carefully. Next is save water. Most of the water on earth is in the seas and ocean. It is salty. We cannot drink that water. The water which is not salty is much less, so don't waste water. So what it is written, that most of the water of earth on earth is in seas and oceans. Have you seen seas, oceans? Yes, they are very huge. They are very huge, and there are lots of water, but we can't drink that water because they are salty in taste. Are you able to drink salty water? No, you are not able to drink salty water. So the water which is not salty and which is available for drinking purposes are very less in quantity, children. So try to don't waste water. If you are taking showers, save water by having a bucket bath instead of a shower. Okay, if you are taking bath, save water by having a bucket bath, means store water in the bucket instead of a shower, because if we are taking bath with the help of the shower, it is also a wastage of water. Okay, next, follow the rules. There are some rules given which you must be follow to save water. Turn off taps completely. Okay, so sometimes we saw that the tap is dripping. Tap tap उसमें से पानी गिरते रहता है. Okay, it means there is some defect in the tap, but we have to immediately repair our taps because that small drops of water is also a wastage of water, and you have to turn off the taps immediately if you are not using the tap. Don't leave the tap on when you brush your teeth. When you are brushing your teeth, don't leave the tap on. Turn off the tap. Tell an adult when you spot a leaking tap or pipe. Okay, when you spot a leaking tap, means water is continuously leaking from the tap, then you have to immediately inform your adult, immediately inform your mother or father, because every drop of water is essential, children. So what we have learned in the always remember point, we learned that water is very, very precious and we have to save the water. Thank you and have a very nice day.